How to fix Discord Soundboard not showing up in server. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll be showing you the ways on how you can fix Soundboard not showing up in server issue on Discord. So then to begin with, check your internet connection and then update your application. Now some users owner states that they're encountering such problem when there are more than 50 users on Discord server. They state that they do not encounter this problem on a server with less than 50 users. You can also check your server for this. If there are more than 50 users, you may be encountering this issue. Apart from it, what else you can do is you can also disable community. So you can eliminate the problem by disabling the community options in the server settings. For that, you need to log into your Discord account. After you're logged into your account, you'll be taken to the home page, and from there you need to access your Discord server and click on the Discord server name in the top left. Then click on server settings. As soon as you click on server settings, go to overview and just go ahead and tap on disable community right at the bottom. After doing this, you restart your device and once again log into your account, and this might be able to solve your issue all at once. If none of these seems to be working, you can also reinstall the Discord application. First of all, you need to uninstall it, and after that you need to reinstall it once again. After you've done that, restart your device and this might also be able to fix the issue all at once. Sometimes the application might have not been closed properly, so what you need to do is you need to head back to your home screen and tap on the Windows tab and type in Task Manager. And open up the Task Manager page. Here you need to select whether the background apps are running or not. So you need to select Discord, and after that you'll need to right click mouse and click on End Task. As soon as you do this, you might be able to fix the issue after that. So similarly, do the same procedure for other application as well. Just go through it and check whether the Discord application is running in the background or not. So in this way you can fix the issue. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. If it did really help you, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.